भारतीयों द्वारा भारतीयता के विचार से ओतप्रोत भारत के संसद भवन के निर्माण का शुभारंभ हमारी लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं के सबसे अहम पड़ाव में से एक है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's new Parliament building on 28 May 2023. The construction of the new Parliament building, designed by architect Bimal Patel, began in 2019. The Lok Sabha chamber will have 888 seats, up from the existing 543, with the option of expanded seating up to 1,272. The Rajya Sabha chamber can accommodate 384 members of parliament (MPs), as opposed to the existing capacity of 250. Built using green construction techniques, the new building is supposed to reduce electricity consumption by 30%. Rainwater harvesting and water recycling systems have been included. As per building codes, since Delhi is in seismic zone B, the building is primed to be earthquake safe. For the interior and exterior of the building, construction materials have been brought in from across the country, including sandstone from Sarmathura in Dholpur, granite from Lakha village in Jaisalmer, woods from Nagpur, craftsmen from Mumbai and Bhadohi weavers from Uttar Pradesh. The building is replete with national symbols, including the national emblem. The lion capital of Ashoka, that weighs 9,500 kilograms and is 6.5 meters in height and is visible from a distance. And at the entrance, the Ashoka Chakra and the words Satyamev Jayate have been carved in stone. A golden scepter given to Jawaharlal Nehru on the eve of independence to mark the transfer of power from the British will sit in the new Lok Sabha chamber near the Speaker's podium. In line with the environment-friendly focus of the new Parliament, all records, House proceedings, questions and other business are being digitized. Besides, tablets and iPads will become a norm.
नया भवन आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण का गवाह बनेगा।